Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Chevy TrailBlazer for sale. This vehicle for purchase comes in a gray exterior, and we have a black interior. Seat controls. Driver's seat. Look at our rear seats here. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Coming around to the back, got our Chevy TrailBlazer all-wheel drive badging. Trunk. Go ahead and hop inside the vehicle next. To have a push-button ignition. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 39,923. Here we have our touchscreen display. Currently showing radio, backup camera, below that climate controls, and shifter. Now if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website feldmannimports.com.